Yeah.
Hello, my name is Indan Hijriya. My student number is 06022682327017.
Okay, hi. I'm Julian Gabriel Sanipars. My student number is 09021382126141. Today, we're going to have a conversation about developments in astronomical technology.
So, Julian, did you know the astronomer used to rely heavily on direct photography to observe the sky?
Really? You mean they use spatial camera or something like that?
Yes, they used large glass plates coated with light-sensitive material. The size depended on the telescope.
But glass plates are rigid, right? What was the advantage of using them?
Exactly, because they are rigid, they can reserve data accurately for many years. Future astronomers could reanalyze them.
That interesting. But I heard those plates weren't very efficient in capturing light.
That's true, even with long exposure time, only a small percentage of the incoming light was converted into an image.
So they couldn't capture faint object in short exposure,
Precisely, that's why direct photography wasn't very efficient for short observation.
but they still use it because it could cover a wide field of view, right?
Correct, especially with wide field telescope. One photo could contain a lot of valuable data.
But I guess technology has improved now, hasn't it?
Yes, nowadays astronomers use radio and X-ray telescope to observe things invisible to the naked eye.
And they can view the data on computer monitor.
Yes, the data is captured digitally and processed using a method called image processing.
Oh, so the image we see today are more detailed than ever before?
Absolutely. And computer can add false color to reveal invisible data.
What do you mean by false color?
They are not actually color of the object. Instead, they are represent data like X-ray emission from star.
So it's like a color code to understand specific properties?
Exactly. It helps scientists study things that otherwise couldn't be seen.
That's impressive. From glass plates to digital analysis, what a transformation.
And the digital format make it easy to store, analyze, and even share the data.
Have you ever seen an actual glass plate from the past?
Yes, during a visit to an observatory, it was amazing to see how astronomers worked back then.
That must have been inspiring. Those early tools really laid the groundwork.
They did. Without them, we wouldn't have such a rich historical record of the sky.
I'm starting to appreciate how far astronomy has come.
Me too. It's so how fast science can evolve.
Okay, thanks, Indah. That was a great conversation.
You are welcome.